Before you invest another pound in your business idea, watch how Dropbox actually proved theirs. Because they didn't build first and hope for the best, they validated first. And there's a lesson in that for every founder watching this. In lean startup methodology, every business is built on what Eric Ries calls leap of faith assumptions. The beliefs so fundamental to your idea that if they're wrong, nothing else matters. They can't be Googled. They can't be theorized. They have to be tested in the real world with real people. And the biggest mistake founders make? Spending months and thousands of pounds building a product before they validated a single one. There are two types of leap of faith assumptions. First, the value hypothesis. Does your product actually solve a problem people care about? Will they use it? Will they pay for it? Second, the growth hypothesis. How will you scale? How will people discover and adopt your product over time? Nail these two before you write a single line of code, and you've given yourself a real competitive advantage. In 2007, Drew Houston had an idea for Dropbox. Seamless file syncing across devices. Simple concept, but his leap of faith assumption was massive. Do people actually want this badly enough to change how they work? He could have spent a year building it. Instead, he recorded a 3-minute demo video. Not a polished ad, not a live product, just a screen recording showing what Dropbox would do, narrated in his own voice for a very specific audience who'd actually get it. He posted it. Overnight, his waitlist went from 5,000 to 75,000 signups. The video didn't just generate interest, it validated his core assumption before the product existed. That's the power of showing before building. Here's the thing. What Drew Houston understood intuitively, what the best founders understand, is that video is the most credible, most human, most persuasive format for validating an idea. It lets you show the vision before the product is ready. It builds belief in investors, in early adopters, in the people you need on your side. But there's a difference between a rough screen recording and a professionally edited video that communicates your value hypothesis with clarity and confidence. The latter gets shared. The latter builds waitlists. The latter opens doors. At Wham Tech Studio, we work with lean startup founders to turn their biggest assumptions into compelling validation videos with frame-by-frame manual editing that's precise, intentional, and crafted to make your message land. If you have a leap of faith assumption that requires validation, let's build the video that tests it. Drop "validate" in the comments or contact us at www.whamtechstudio.com. Your Dropbox moment is waiting.